What is up, Swag Gang? It's Bad Boy Swag here. We're back again with another reaction video, and today we were reacting to my boy Corey Kenshin. You already know this is my favorite YouTuber, like a gaming YouTuber. Well, I have a lot of gaming YouTubers that I like, but I like watching him because he's very funny and entertaining. But yeah, so today we're gonna be watching Corey Kenshin, and he finds out that he has a beehive in his front yard. So we gonna see what he about to do.
Alright guys, we're just outside playing with football. My neighbor walks over. I'm like, hey, how's it going? She it's like, oh, I gotta show you something. So she goes to that tree and then she's like, yeah, so you got a beehive. Oh my god. Fat beehive.
That beehive is fat and huge.
Big stick.
Oh dude. Please don't tell me this guy is gonna use the bat and hit the beehive. Please don't tell me. Cause if he do that, he dumb. He dumb, bro. You can't do that, bro. You can't do that. Unless I don't know. I won't even do that to begin with. I just let a professional do that, okay? I ain't doing any of that stuff.
What I'm gonna do is smack it and then we're gonna run right back to the house. You should probably be like in the house. How you feeling about it though? Ain't no bees about to scare me from my own house, man. Y'all think y'all gonna set up camp in my house? Nah.
No.
This is...
Bruh.
I'm like a sniper. Got it, man.
Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. Bro, take off. Bro.
Oh my god. No way. What is it doing? I got like a good
Bro.
it just shattered like tissue. Yeah, dude, they're freaking out. I gotta go back out there.
Bro.
You better be careful, man. Corey versus the bees in the chat. You busted wide open. And I'm gonna just keep running. See
Oh
if
my
they chase me.
god.
If they chase me, I'll have to loop-de-loop and then run back into the house. But we need the bat. Just hit it, man. This is all you. 3, 2. How you doing? There's a beehive thing. Like a very aggressive wasp nest in this. Yeah, right here. Come on, see? Now that thing's huge. Yeah. Looks like a coconut.
Bro, I would back up if I were you.
Don't mess with them.
Don't mess with him. Oh my god.
I'll like run and jump like Superman. I feel like our best opportunity is to do this all at once. So you're gonna sneak up. You want to sneak up on the bat? No, I'm gonna look it for the bat. I wish you luck. You see him chase me? Just be like, swoo. Okay. 3. You're good. Yeah, you gotta wait till you get a space in between. I'm like a sniper. Rifle striking when I'm rocking.
He's gonna hit it again, bro. Damn, Corey Kenshin, you a savage for this. Me, I would chicken out and I would not go hit the beehive. Bro. Oh shit! Bro, run. Oh! Oh, damn. Yo, he snapped. Corey Kenshin, dude. You a savage. Bruh. This dude shit whacked it like a pinata, bro. Y'all, dang, bro. Hey, y'all gotta check out this dude channel, Corey Kenshin, bro. He's a He's a G. He's a savage. But y'all, hope y'all like this video. Leave a fat thumbs up. Let's try it. Repost, share this video, and make sure to subscribe if you want to join the swag gang. Y'all, see y'all in the next video. We out. Deuces. Also, don't do this at home. If you have a beehive, just don't do it. Just don't do it.